U is for unity, one of the 9 principles of design created by Jane Brumfield Montero. How do artists show unity in their art? British sculptor and photographer Andy Goldsworthy created this installation called Touching North in 1989. How does he show unity in this sculpture? French-American sculptor Nike de Saint-Phalle created Buddha in 1999. How does she use unity in this sculpture? Unity is a feeling of harmony within a work of art. How can you create unity in your art? All it takes is your imagination and everything will fall into place.